Imagine traveling the world's most iconic destinations and staying at luxury hotels that redefine elegance and comfort, all without paying a cent. Sounds impossible? Think again. In this video, we're diving into the secrets of choosing the perfect luxury hotel using points. I'll guide you through tips and tricks that will help you unlock some of the world's most exclusive hotels, from beachfront resorts to glamorous city escapes. And the best part? You'll learn how to get the most luxurious experience without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to discover how to maximize your credit card points to experience unforgettable stays, keep watching. When it comes to luxury hotels, not all are created equal. Choosing the perfect one using points can be a game changer for your travel experience. To make the most out of your points, the first step is knowing which credit card offers the best rewards for luxury stays. Top travel credit cards like the American Express Platinum, Chase Sapphire Reserve, and City Prestige offer premium rewards, not only for booking flights, but for top-notch hotel stays as well. With these cards, you can access elite hotel programs, giving you benefits like upgrades, complimentary breakfast, and late checkout. The first tip is to focus on credit card programs that partner with luxury hotel chains. Programs like Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors, and World of Hyatt all provide incredible value for points. What's even better is that these programs have partnerships with credit card issuers, making it easier to earn points and redeem them for high-end stays. For instance, with a Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can transfer points to the World of Hyatt, allowing you to access luxury properties like the Park Hyatt. Similarly, American Express membership rewards points can be transferred to Marriott Bonvoy, giving you access to Ritz-Carlton and St. Regis hotels worldwide. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. You want to keep an eye on transfer bonuses. Sometimes credit card programs offer bonuses when you transfer points to their hotel partners. This means you could end up with 30% more points, which translates to an even more luxurious stay. Imagine a room upgrade, a suite with an ocean view, or access to exclusive amenities, all because you chose the right transfer bonus. Another secret to choosing the perfect luxury hotel with points is timing. Hotel rates fluctuate based on demand, and so do points redemption rates. When you're booking with points, flexibility can be your best friend. For instance, booking during off-peak seasons can significantly lower the number of points needed. This is particularly true for programs like Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton Honors, which offer dynamic pricing. By planning your stay during low-demand periods, you can stretch your points further, enjoying high-end stays for less. Location is another key factor. Choosing a luxury hotel in a prime location can elevate your entire experience. If you're in Paris, for instance, staying at the Ritz Paris gives you direct access to the best the city has to offer. But you can also opt for slightly less famous, yet equally luxurious options, maximizing your points while still staying in the heart of the action. When you're choosing a luxury hotel, be sure to consider the unique perks that each property offers. Many high-end hotels go above and beyond with amenities like private beaches, butler service, spa treatments, and exclusive restaurants. And the beauty of booking with points is that you're essentially getting these perks at no extra cost. So take the time to research what each hotel offers and choose the one that aligns with the experience you're seeking. Another pro tip is to leverage loyalty program status. Many credit cards offer automatic elite status with hotel brands, which can unlock even more perks. For example, the Hilton Aspire card by American Express gives you automatic diamond status with Hilton Honors. This means guaranteed upgrades, complimentary breakfast, and sometimes even access to executive lounges. Such perks enhance your stay, making it feel even more luxurious and exclusive. And here's something most people don't know. If you're short on points, you can often book with a combination of points and cash. This is a great option if you want to extend your stay or if you're eyeing a property that's a bit beyond your points balance. With points and cash options, you get flexibility without compromising on luxury. Now, let's talk about the importance of room type. Many luxury hotels offer different levels of room experiences, from standard rooms to suites with breathtaking views. When booking with points, look for hotels that allow you to upgrade using fewer points. This way, you can enjoy a suite or an upgraded room for a fraction of the cost. Imagine waking up to a stunning ocean view or the glittering city skyline, all thanks to strategic use of your points. One of the most valuable tips is to read reviews and look for hotels with a reputation for excellent service. Luxury hotels are known for their service, and when you're spending your hard-earned points, you want to ensure you're getting top-notch treatment. Platforms like TripAdvisor and Google Reviews give you insights into guest experiences, helping you choose hotels with impeccable standards. Another key consideration is the on-site dining experience. High-end hotels often boast world-class restaurants with Michelin-starred chefs. When booking with points, check if the hotel offers dining credits or packages. Some loyalty programs include dining credits as part of their perks for elite members. This allows you to experience fine dining without the added cost, enhancing the overall luxury of your stay. Finally, always remember to maximize your benefits by stacking perks. This means combining the perks of your credit card, hotel loyalty status, and any special promotions offered by the hotel or loyalty program. For example, if you're booking a stay with points at a Marriott property, you could use your elite status to enjoy free breakfast and your American Express Platinum benefits for a room upgrade. Choosing the perfect luxury hotel using points may seem like a challenge, but with these strategies, you'll be booking 5-star stays with confidence and ease. Imagine enjoying an unforgettable vacation, staying at top-tier hotels, and experiencing the ultimate in luxury without paying a cent. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more luxury travel tips. Let me know in the comments, which luxury hotel are you planning to book with points? Thank you for watching and happy travels.